Hey, Chris Good here, and I wanted to share with you guys this cool Excel spreadsheet that generates data sets for you that have a specific mean and standard deviation. So this is going to be really useful if you are making up problems for, I don't know, t-tests or ANOVA or something like that. You can actually create data sets that are based on published means and standard deviations. So all you got to do is type here in these two spaces the mean that you want and the standard deviation that you want. These I actually got from this published study on aggression after playing violent video games versus neutral nonviolent video games. And here's the mean aggression score in a control condition, and here's the standard deviation. You kind of don't need to worry about this stuff over here. This is just, these are numbers, the actual mean and standard, it's not standard error, it's actually standard deviation. You don't need to worry about those. All you need to do is type in the mean. So if you want to change this to like a mean of 25 and a standard deviation of 5, you'll notice that those numbers change. Actually, anytime you type anything on the screen at all, the random numbers here are going to change. These are not the numbers that you end up using because they have a mean of not quite 25 and a standard deviation of not quite 5. But these numbers here are the ones you can use that do have exactly a mean of 25 and exactly a standard deviation of 5, and you can actually check them in these two cells right here. You don't have to use just 6 numbers. You can actually take away one of these numbers, just delete that row, and these numbers, again, anytime you change something, the spreadsheet updates, but these numbers are the ones that will always have the mean and the standard deviation that you input in this area of the spreadsheet. If you want more numbers, like if you wanted a dozen numbers, you would just insert some more rows here, right? And then copy both these cells, that cell there, and this cell there, and you will get, if you check this average one more time, you should get, oopsies, your correct mean, etc. So what you need to do is adjust the actual mean value to cover the entire spread of numbers that you have, and the same thing for this actual standard deviation. So if you just adjust these two to average and standard deviation for all the numbers over here, then the mean and standard deviation that you check down here should work out okay. Whew, I hope that that was clear. Anyway, have some fun with this spreadsheet and generate your own data sets.